Everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at HBAR, double checking some key levels. Well, lost that 0.618, that golden pocket, pretty hard here. We can see right there, 0.618 to 0.65. Not really a good support level there, mainly because this was somewhat of a pump and a large dump. Okay, so again, when that happens, you gotta steer clear of coins like this. More importantly, secure profits when you can. If you got in anywhere along these lines here, you should not be in the red right now. Okay, again, I try to emphasize that in every video that I make, and I believe I did so previously with this one as well, but just to reiterate and reaffirm, secure profits whenever possible. Let's take a quick look here, just to double check. This is kind of an example here, right? Securing profits, this is my day trading group here. We got nice profits from VNB, Cardano, AVAX, XRP, Solana, and ETH, all in the last roughly 12 to 24 hours. Okay, these are scalping trades taken by my trading bot, basically just getting in and out of the market quickly. You compare that with my premium group, of course, we're seeing a lot less profits because swing trades are harder to secure profits right now, just based on the simple fact they're held for longer periods of time. So just an example to give you perspective there on that. Now taking a look here, of course, the last 7 days of HBAR, we can see every potential lower liquidity has been swept. Pretty much every level, minus those who just got in there at about 9.2 cents or lower. We can see that everything has been taken out. Okay, so all the profits from the last few trading days or week or two, right, has all been secured. Okay, we do have still a little bit left though. Keep in mind now 9.2 as low as 8.6. Could even see further downside. But the good news is majority of the liquidity has been swept, so that really just implies that we are in a position right now where the price action should recover here in the relative near future. But I wouldn't expect it just to instantly recover because of that. However, we can kind of see here, this level here, 0.786, this more recent high, working as a new low. Okay, so again, recent high, recent low, kind of one of those things that is pretty consistent in trading. Okay. Keep in mind, Bitcoin is kind of sort of bottoming out at this point. So it's one of those situations where we're looking at, we could see a relief rally here at this point. All right. Having said all that, let's double check some important things big picture. First of all, we're above all moving averages minus the 200. So the 200 right there at about 8.4, really close to that lowest level liquidation. So if the price does pull back, that would probably be the lowest point in which we should see, just based on that being a common support level. We can see that we have lost support though on the RSI at 50 rather. We can see it's pulling back. Money flow index is decreasing, and so is stochastic RSI. And then we take a look here, of course, at the MACD, it's diverging. Okay, so nothing really good and positive here, minus a slight consolation of support at 8.4 and or that 0.786 fib level of roughly 9 to 9.3 is tentatively holding. I want to emphasize the word tentative though, folks, because this is not a perfect situation. It's not like the kind of dip you just buy. Keep in mind, it's a good dip if Bitcoin holds this level, but Bitcoin is proving to be very weak right now. We got a lot of fundamental things coming up this week too. So please be careful with that. I do have updates on my Twitter, Telegram, and now TikTok. Be sure to check that out. I kind of update you preferably as often as I can, more so on the fundamental side of things and kind of just best practice. So be sure to check that out. Help support the channel. Greatly appreciate that. Looking at the RSI on the 4 hour, we're getting close to 30. This is commonly a bouncing point, but never a guarantee. Okay, but if the money flow index continues to come out, we get down to closer to 20, that would be a good consideration for a long position. Okay, again, you don't just take a trade arbitrarily because of that and look at other factors, but generally speaking, that's like the only consolation we have right now. Everything else is showing bearish divergence, and there's really no reason to take a long position right now. Okay, take a look at the hourly. This will probably reaffirm things for us here. We're stuck below the cloud. We can see we are also the lagging spans free and clear, conversion lines below the baseline. There is no reason to consider a long position right now. Okay, again, Bitcoin pulling back the way it's looking right now. Pretty ugly market. Try not to just get FOMO into just certain trades, even if you love the project. Emotion should have no bearing here. Okay, I'm not telling you to consider shorting everything, but I can tell you you're probably gonna have better statistical probabilities of success finding a trade to the downside than the upside. But again, most trades are overextended, most coins are overextended right now. It is best to just kind of wait on the sidelines for this week to be over and some of those fundamental catalysts to kind of subside. Okay, a lot of weird things are happening between now and then, so just be careful and be patient. All right, I hope that you learned something today. Thank you so much again for watching. Deeply appreciate all the support. I've been getting a lot of feedback here recently for just how beneficial these videos are, so thank you. You're welcome. Happy to help, of course. It's my pleasure. I love teaching people to become better traders. And again, we got a lot of graduates in our trading academy as well. Congrats to you folks for making this a full-time thing now. It's really awesome to see that. All right, folks. Hope you have a good rest of your day. If you want to become a better trader, again, cryptocash.tech is a site, link down below. We'll see you soon. Take care.